Police are investigative after two British airline cabin crew were allegedly sexually assaulted at an LA mansion. The pair told friends they were drugged at the mansion before the attacks took place. The two women were in the city as part of their work and told friends they visited the mansion after going to a nightclub. One of the women broke down in tears on her flight back to London and told her colleagues about the attack. A third party notified the Metropolitan Police on arrival at Heathrow Airport and an investigation was launched, according to The Sun. A source told The Sun, the women were working abroad and let their hair down one evening. They went to a posh club in Los Angeles and from there they went back to a mansion. They claim that they were drugged and sexually assaulted while they were at the mansion. It's all very serious. A spokesman for the company told The Sun, "We are aware of reports that crew members may have been involved in an incident while overseas. We take such matters extremely seriously and are providing them with full support." The Met said, police at Heathrow were informed by a third party that two members of an incoming airline cabin crew had allegedly been sexually assaulted in the U.S. Our inquiries are ongoing.